Hi vlogs! Welcome to my gosh! And now, for today, I'm going to eat buldak! But wait, it's not buldak, it's samyong. No, it's
Kuy, pakita mo ba?
Shin ramyun. I'm going to eat not one, but two. Not two, but three. Not four, but five Shin ramyun. Because I'm Chuchang. And this is Chucheng. Okay, let me show you my first bite, guys. So this is my first bite for the Shin ramyun. Let me taste it. So much nice, so flavorful, and the taste is so much good.
Ano?
Okay, let me taste the Popeye chicken. Also, we have the Popeye chicken. So let me have my first bite. Let me taste it, you guys. So much nice.
It's spicy.
Okay, guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Kaya na muna.
Ha?
Kain ka pa.
Meron pa?
Marami.
Meron pa? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, so nice. Sarap. Okay naman, kain naman.
Chicken.
Tama na, kain naman.
Wait, we got
Ano naman
chicken. We got a chicken.
Go, bite. Bye-bye na.
Bye bye.